Hey guys, it's Jonathan and I'm going to show you guys how to repair the driver's door handle for a 2014 Kia Rio. What happened was that I was going to the gym and I left my keys and my phone sitting on the passenger seat and locked all the doors. I was trying to like jimmy it to get the door open, and I heard something like break and fall into the car, and then all of a sudden my driver's door latch wouldn't open. So, but for far too long, actually, I've just been leaving the car completely unlocked, because who wants to steal a manual Kia Rio? And what I would do is I would actually just go through the back and reach to the front, because incredibly the latch for the inside of the car, it still worked, but the outside didn't work. So it looked something like this. Yeah, not pretty. So I'm going to show you guys how to take the door off. Interestingly, it's only 3 screws to take off the entire door panel. The hardest part you're going to have is actually the doorknob crank, the window crank. Now, if you have a automatic, this is going to be not an issue, but if you have a manual, it's like there's no screws, how you take it off. If you look online, a lot of tutorials in Kia's manual, there's a little tool that you use to pop it off, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it without any regular tools. A lot of people were saying that you can use a screwdriver or 2 screwdrivers. I actually just have here a regular putty knife, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you're going to do first, you're going to start with the window crank face all the way down, just like this. Doesn't matter the position of the window. Mine is kind of cracked, but it's a little pliable here, so you can be able to, like, you know, a little bit see inside there. What you're going to do, take your putty knife, you're going to go right up under here. You're going to go right up under, and there is a little metal, I don't think you can see it from here, but there's a little metal hook that goes just like this, and it latches on both sides. You're just pushing one of the sides of that metal hook up. You're just pushing it up, and it should pop right out. This is what it looks like. This is the little ring that was around there. So it just goes just like this, right around. I'm not gonna put it back on right now, but that's what it looks like, okay? So that's it. That's the hardest parts of it. The only thing you have to do now is remove the other 3 screws, which are located right here. I've already taken the cover off. There's one right here, and then there's one more right here, which I've already started. And other than that, you just lift it and pull it out. Everything else along the bottom, they're just little pins. You just hit the door to put them in, or then yank it a little bit to pull them right back out. Very easy to use, you know, typical Asian card, you know, they just go together like Legos, so makes it really easy to work on. All right, once you take the door off, it looks like this. However, the handle that we need to replace is back here behind the glass. So what you're gonna do is just take the handle, put it on, and just crank the window. See it going up there. And that's it, just pull this straight off. You do not need to put the clip back on it to operate that. So like I said, I heard a piece of plastic break and fall off back behind here. So I'm gonna take off this plastic very carefully. Reach back here and see, feel anything. There we go. It doesn't appear to be broken, just disconnected, which is good. That means we don't need to replace this part. Let's put this plastic back. So the door handle doesn't work on the outside, but it does work on the inside. I'm just gonna play with it a little bit so you guys can see what it's actually moving. Oops. There you go, that's what's unlocking the door. And the handle up here, so I can get it for you. Trying to unlock and see nothing's happening. Alright guys, I'm going to show you inside here. This is actually the part that broke off. You see it's just hanging there. As you can guess, it does fit inside this little hole right here. Moving this is what you need to, again, open the door like we saw the inside handle doing. But just sticking this back inside of the hole does not fix the problem. Sorry, I'm trying to get it in focus for you guys. Crap. Does not fix the problem because it's too loose inside there. So now we know that this part that I found or broke off is what we need. The question is, how does it go back on? Pretty simple. This nipple here does insert into the hole right up there. I don't know if I can do it while I'm on the phone with you guys. Let's see. Da, da, da. Nope, can't do it while I'm on the phone. Oh, you can see. Here you go. Just push it in. There you go. And this, we're just going to put it inside. As you can see, it's inside. Of course, this bottom part will latch on to the, there you go, just like that. And now it's in. I'm gonna reach around here. Leave the handle on the outside. There you go. That's all you need. Now you gotta put the door back together. Handle for the inside door. Lastly, we're just going to replace the pin that's in the handle. There you go. Well guys, there you go. There you have it. I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.